Hi guys, Jalpie Botha here. We just came off the water, putting this beautiful Bass Cat Panterra II to the test today for the first time. It landed in South Africa less than a week ago. So happy to share this great news with you. Awesome ride. You'll see the footage. What a beautiful boat. You can't just compare any other boat to what's been manufactured in the USA. Super excited for the guys to have the agency of Bass Cat in South Africa. Please contact them. The link to their website will be shared on this video. Click there, contact the guys. They'll be able to assist you very quickly with a very good price to bring these boats in. Lead time currently we're looking at 3 months. Manufacturing of these boats are extremely quick. They put it onto the ship. Most likely that you'll have it in South Africa within 3 months. Build your own Bass Cat boats. Happy to share this news with you. Thank you.